Most people believe that being good on video comes down to charisma, that you need to be loud, bold, or naturally talented to show up on camera. But if you don't have charisma, practical skills are your secret weapon. Let's talk about it.
Have you ever hit record and right away second guess yourself? Felt like you weren't interesting enough, like your energy didn't match what you see from other creators online?
You're not alone. And the worst part? That doubt stops a lot of talented people from ever showing up.
So let's get into what really works. First, talk about what excites you. Don't overthink it. Pick a topic you care about. And film an unscripted video just for you. Watch it back. Notice what feels natural and where you get stuck. Chances are your realness is more engaging than you think.
Next, decide if you work better with an outline or script. Scripts can keep you on track, but can also sound robotic if you're not used to them. If that's the case, try using bullet points instead. It gives you structure, but also room to breathe, improvise, and sound like a human.
Lastly, upgrade your sound and lighting. You don't need a full studio. Just grab an external mic and use natural light from a window. People will forgive shaky visuals, but if your audio's bad, they're out.
Get comfortable and build confidence. Show up, real and unfiltered. Focus on clarity, not perfection. You're one video away from building a brand people connect with. Your move.